Now, inflating tires and other inflatables can be a pain, but not with this tool. This is the Inflator Attachment from the MultiEvo range. The MultiEvo range from Black & Decker allows one power platform to be used as a full range of power tools. With this compact system, you simply attach accessories for tools like a circular saw, jigsaw, router, drill, driver, sander, and more, allowing you to easily complete DIYs just like this one without having big bulky tools that take up space. A perfect gift for anyone. For more on each of these attachments, check out the clips. This is the Inflator Attachment from the MultiEvo range. It makes pumping up tires, balls, and other inflatables quick and, most importantly, easy. This inflator can pump to a maximum pressure of 5.5 bar or 80 psi and has a built-in pressure gauge. The valve adapter has a lock function to hold onto valves and accessories. Accessories include the needle nose nozzle and multi-purpose nozzle and are both neatly stored in the pump housing with a rubber cover. This inflator quickly attaches to your MultiEvo platform and weighs only 1.5 kgs, perfect for any situation. A very convenient inflator, perfect for around the house and in your car. Now, this is just one of the attachments available in the MultiEvo range. For more, visit the builder's website or check out the YouTube channel.